Hey guys, welcome back. In our last video, we set up a table to help us solve this word problem. So taking all that information and organizing it in a table allowed us to set up these two equations. So now we've got our two systems of equations, and to solve this system, we are going to use substitution. So we'll solve this first simpler equation for y. To do that, we'll just subtract x from both sides. That cancels, and we get y equals 350 minus x. Now substituting means that we can now rewrite the second equation and just have one variable in it, because instead of having x and y in that equation, this y can get replaced. Well, we will plug in that 350 minus x right there instead of the y. Okay, so now I've got my new equation. Now I'm going to simplify. And the main thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to do multiplication. This, I will distribute this 0.09 over these two terms, and I will multiply these numbers over here. So that 0.09 times the 350 gives me 31.5 from that. And then the 0.09 times negative x gives me minus 0.09x. And I multiply the 0.12 times 350, and I get 42. All right, next step is we're going to combine these like terms, because we have 0.16x minus 0.09x, and that gives me 0.07x plus 31.5 equals 42. And now I'm going to subtract 31.5 from both sides, and I get 0.07x equals 10.5. Now I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide by 0.07 on both sides. 0.07, that cancels. Get x by itself, and x equals 150. Now my final step is I need to go back to this equation, x plus y equals 350, and I substitute in this value for x, 150 plus y equals 350. Let me move that up a bit. So here I've just substituted in the 150 in place of this x. And I'm solving for y, subtract 150 from both sides, y equals 200. So we are ready to fill in our final answer. So our final answer is that we need 150 pounds of our X quantity, 150 pounds of the Sunny Farms granola, and 200 pounds of the Oat World granola. And that's it. As always, thank you for watching.